In this video, I will show you how to copy and find your Pi deposit address on OKX Wallet. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open your OKX Wallet app, and from the Home tab, go ahead and click on Deposit, and from here click on Deposit Crypto. Right now click on the search bar and then type in Pi and click on Search, and then we can see Pi Network at the top. So let's go ahead and click on this. And in here, we need to select a sender, and that is because I am in the EU. So due to regulations, I need to do this. So let's go ahead and select my private wallet. And if you're sending to someone else, you can just select someone else's private wallet. And when you know the exchange you're sending to, then just go ahead and select the exchange. I'm just going to select my private wallet, as I already said, and I'm going to click on Continue now. And as you can see in here, we have a deposit reminder, so we need to slide this all the way to the right to continue copying our wallet address. So it says that we only need to deposit Pi via Pi, and that means the Pi network. So if you do not transfer it with the Pi network, then your crypto might get lost. So let's slide this to the right, and in here at the top we see network Pi, so that is good. So on our other wallet, we need to be sure that the Pi network is selected as well. So those need to match. And if you do that, you can just go ahead and click on copy and then paste in this wallet address on the wallet you want to send it to. Or if you want to do something else with this, go ahead and do it. You just need to click on copy, and that is how you copy and find your Pi deposit address on OKX Wallet. And if you aren't started yet on OKX Wallet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with a nice welcome bonus. Anyway, that is it for the video. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.